Okay, Assalamualaikum. We are from Group 1. Today we want to explain about control of discharge process at vessel. First of all, this is my group member, Les Didik Samuin, and I am Muhammad Haziq, Muhammad Arafat bin Johari, and Muhammad Taufik bin Cik Hussein. Okay, and then for the background, PLC is a programmable logic control, is robust and user-friendly device designed for industrial control application. It replaces personal computer PC in industry setting due to its durability and straightforward programming. A PLC consists of a central process unit CPU with an application, program and input-output I/O module connected in field device. This program ensures that when an input device sends a signal, the PLC activate the appropriate output device in response. And then for the DCS, a distributed control system is a computerized system used to control process or plant with multiple control loop. It uses distribute controller placed near the process for localized control, improving improving reliability and reducing installation costs while allowing remote monitoring and supervision. Okay, for the project goals, understand the DCS and PLC function in control room for plant. Understand and control the discharge process in reservoir using DCS and PLC. Redesign the control circuit of the process. And then for the equipment that we have a DCS and PLC, DCS is computerized control system that distribute autonomous controller through a process or factory, typically with numerous control loops. PLC is a to operate machine and processes programmable logic control are digital electronic device that store instruction and carry out particular tasks including logic, sequencing, timing, counting, and arithmetic. And then we have reservoir, transmitter, and valve. A reservoir is a container or storage vessel used to hold and store liquid gases or other chemicals that are critical to the process ability to function. Transmitter is at the level of the specific bulk solid or liquid at any particular time can be ascertained using level transmitter. And then for valve, to regulate direct or stop the fluid flow by opening, closing, or particularly obstructing passage. And we have tune fork sensor, power walkie-talkie. Tune fork sensor is to measure physical parameters such as level, density, or viscosity of substance, often in liquid or granular material. Pump is essential for regulating fluid flow and transferring heat from one place to another. Walkie-talkie is portable two-way radio device used for wireless and communication. So for safety precaution, what we need before we go into plant is a helmet, lead coat, and safety boot. Okay, next we go into the procedure. Before starting the experiment, PNID drawing for the discharge of the reservoir in tank VA20203 were identified and studied. And this is the PNID. Every student need to follow a plant assistant to trace the mechanical and electrical circuit for the discharge process. After everyone is ready to start the experiment, the first step is switching on the MCCB and PLC manually. Then switch on the DCS system by using a manual step and wait until the symbol on DCS is lit up. Next, track the pipeline before running the discharge process. Then start the P203A on DCS until the green light at the control room to discharge the reservoir or oil in tank VA002 to tank T209. Record the level of oil in the tank on the sensor in the control room and compare it with the reading on DCS. Switch off the pump on DCS and PLC when the alarm become noisy because the tank VE203 was empty. Repeat the line tracking at the plant to release back the oil in tank T209 to the VE203. Switch on the pump P219 using an automatic method on DCS and PLC until the green light is to move the oil. Then record against the level oil on the level sensor at the tank and the reading on the DCS and wait until the pump is automatically off. Okay, for the observation from the experiment, we learn about discharge process from tank T209 to VE203. We can do line tracking from PNID and know how to control plant using DCS. At the same time, we see the level sensor at the tank T209 not working because sludge cover up the sensor. Okay, so for the result, what we can see here, the blue line. The blue line is the flow discharge process from T209 to VE203. When the red line is the flow discharge process from VE203 to T209. So just that from me. Thank you.